Have you ever wondered how the Amish build entire homes and barns without power tools? While most modern construction relies on electric saws, drills, and heavy machinery, the Amish stick to traditional methods that have been passed down for generations. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible ways the Amish build houses without electricity. Instead of power saws and nail guns, the Amish use hand tools like crosscut saws, chisels, mallets, and hammers. These tools require more effort but offer precise craftsmanship. They also last much longer than modern electric tools, needing only occasional sharpening rather than constant battery charging. One of the most fascinating Amish building techniques is timber framing. Unlike modern construction that relies on metal nails, they use wooden pegs, also known as trunnels, to hold beams together. This method makes a structure incredibly sturdy, often lasting for centuries. Since the Amish don't use trucks or cranes, they rely on horse-drawn wagons to transport materials. Teams of strong draft horses help move heavy logs and supplies across fields and job sites, proving that horsepower, literally, can still get the job done. Building a house or barn is a community effort in Amish culture. Friends, family, and neighbors come together for a barn raising, where dozens of men work in perfect coordination to construct a building in just a few days. With no need for paid contractors, the Amish keep costs low and build lasting friendships along the way. Instead of electric drills, the Amish use hand-powered drills like braces and augers. These tools require more effort but allow for precise control, making them ideal for woodworking and furniture making as well. The craftsmanship that comes from this method is second to none. It's incredible how the Amish can build strong, long-lasting homes without modern technology. Their methods might take longer, but they create buildings that stand the test of time. Which of these techniques surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content.